In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw an arrow in AutoCAD quickly and easily, even if you're just getting started. This is a simple but very useful skill because arrows are used all the time for labeling, pointing out features, and creating clean technical drawings. Whether you're working on an architecture plan, mechanical layout, or just need a basic annotation, this method will help you place an arrow exactly where you want it. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and step-by-step guides. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open AutoCAD and load the drawing you want to work on. Make sure your file is ready before you start so you can place the arrow in the correct area without having to undo and redo steps later. Once your drawing is open, look at the ribbon at the top of the screen and go to the Annotate tab. This is where AutoCAD keeps many of its text and leader tools, including the one we need for drawing an arrow. Inside the Annotate tab, find the Leaders panel and click on Multileader. The Multileader tool is the easiest way to create an arrow with a leader line, and it gives you the flexibility to add text if you need it. When you click it, AutoCAD will activate the command and let you start placing the arrow in your drawing. Now, move your cursor to the exact point where you want the arrow tip to appear and click once. This first click sets the arrow point, so make sure it is aligned with the object or area you want to highlight. After that, move your cursor away from the point and click again to place the landing point. This creates the direction of the leader line and helps define where the arrow will point. Next, AutoCAD will ask you to place the text location. If you want to add a label or note, move your cursor and click where you want the text to appear. If you don't want any text and only need the arrow, you can simply press Enter to skip the text portion. That's useful when you just want a clean arrow without a caption attached to it. And that's basically it. You've now drawn an arrow in AutoCAD using the Multi-Leader tool. If you want to make it look cleaner, you can always adjust the arrow style, leader length, or text settings later in the annotation options, but this method gives you the fastest way to get the arrow placed correctly. It's a great workflow to remember because it works well for quick callouts and professional-looking drawings. If this video helped you learn something new, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AutoCAD tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.